Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're talking about Meg White, the quiet, mysterious drummer who made up one half of the legendary rock duo, the White Stripes. Alongside Jack White, she helped redefine garage rock in the early 2000s. But after the band broke up, Meg vanished from the public eye. So, where is Meg White now? Let's find out. Meg White was born in 1974 Grosse Pointe Farms, Michigan. She started playing drums in 1997 when she and her then-husband, Jack White, formed the White Stripes. Her minimalist drumming style, paired with Jack's raw guitar and vocals, created a unique sound that stood out from everything else in rock at the time. With hits like Seven Nation Army, Fell in Love with a Girl, and Dead Leaves and the Dirty Ground, the band became international stars. Meg's calm and reserved presence on stage contrasted perfectly with Jack's explosive energy, making their performances unforgettable. After years of touring and global fame, Meg began to struggle with anxiety and the pressures of the spotlight. The White Stripes cancelled their 2007 tour due to her acute anxiety issues. 4 years later, in 2011, the band officially announced their breakup, stating it was to preserve the beauty of what they had created. While Jack continued to perform and release solo music, Meg completely withdrew from the music industry. She stopped making public appearances, gave no interviews, and avoided all forms of social media. Where is Meg White now? As of now, Meg White lives a quiet and private life in Michigan. She's been out of the public eye for over a decade, focusing on her personal life and mental well-being. Friends and former collaborators describe her as content and happy living away from fame. She hasn't returned to performing or recording music, and there are no indications that she plans to. Meg seems at peace with her decision to leave the spotlight behind something many fans continue to respect. Meg White's story is a reminder that not every artist wants to chase fame forever. Sometimes, walking away is the truest form of freedom. Though she remains one of rock's great enigmas, her impact on music will never fade. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on where they are now.